Hello students. So we are performing some questions that is based on the data frame, and we are solving that question, that is write one Python program to find the following from the given data frame. So this is our data frame and we will perform that query: maximum and minimum marks, sum of all the marks, mean and mode of age of the students, and count the number of row present in the data frame. So these all query we will perform. So into the previous class I already created that data frame. So that data frame I created into the Jupyter. So this is for the Python platform. So into the Jupyter, you can see here this data frame we already created. And how we created: first you have to import the pandas SPD, then create the dictionary D equal roll number, then assign the all roll number list. Second column name is name, and it all names list we can assign. Next column name is age and its all age are listed. Next marks, so all marks are listed. Now we convert this dictionary into the data frame. So simple, you have to use the pd object dot data frame and assign the dictionary that will be converted into the data frame in df variable. Clear? Df object. And now you can execute this data frame. So we get that output and it is according to our data frame that is in our question. So this data frame has been created into the Python. Clear? Now we will perform the queries. So first one is, you see here, maximum marks and minimum marks. So first I will find maximum marks of students, which students have a maximum mark. So that query you have to perform. This is command we will execute: print maximum marks df. We will pass the column name, that is a marks, and then call maximum function. Clear? So max function we will call. So now I'm performing that command. So you see here, first you will write the print method, and then which message you want to execute. We want to execute maximum maximum marks we want to execute. So this message will be executed with equal sign. Okay, so as it is we will type here and then comma separator. Next, from which data frame? We have the data frame df, and maximum marks from marks column. So we will pass the marks column. This is the marks column, and which function you want to perform. So with dot operator you can call the max method. So here I call the max method. So which with this method it will execute only the maximum marks of student. Clear? So now how you can run? So simple, click on the run button. So, okay, so you get that output. So this is the output, because this is the statement, this is the string we want to print. So that will execute as it is, and with this command it executing the maximum marks of the student. So you see here 87 is the maximum marks into marks column. Clear? So you get it. And second query we have also into this minimum marks also. We have to execute the minimum marks. So how you can execute the minimum marks? Simple, you write the print statement, and which statement you want to execute? Minimum. Clear? So minimum marks, that message will be executed, and then after you want to get the minimum marks. So from which data frame? Data frame is df, and which column we will perform the minimum function? Into the marks column. So pass into the parameter marks. Clear? So this column has been passed, and then you call min, means minimum method. So this method here I am calling. So with this method it will execute the minimum marks of that data frame. So now I'm run, click on the run button. Okay students, so you got that the minimum marks of students, and you also check into the table. So you see here there 47 is minimum marks. Clear? So your that operation has been executed successfully. Now the second query is sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks means we have to calculate it the total. Clear? So how you can sum of marks? So simple. Once again you will call the print method and put a message sum of marks, so that you want to execute. And how you can execute the sum of marks? Simple. In which data frame we are performing? In df data frame. And which column? The column is marks. Clear? And which operation you want to calculate the sum? So simple. Here you have a sum method, so call it. And now run this command. So click on the run button. Okay students, so you got that answer. So it is the total or sum of all the marks number. Okay, so this is the total of all numbers. So this is 340. You can also calculate one by one and the answer is correct. Okay, so this second query I have performed. And next, see, we have mean and mode of age. Clear? Mean and mode of age of students. Clear? So we will find the mean and mode. First we will find the mean. So you want to execute, so that's why you call the print method, and you can write here mean of age. So that message you want to execute, so simple write here mean of age. And then how you can able to execute? So in which data frame we are performing? In df data frame. And in which column? Now we will change the column. We want to find mean of age, so that's why you have to pass the age column into the data frame. So we will write the age. Clear? So that column we perform in pass into that data frame. And then which method we want to perform? We want to find mean. So here you have a mean method, simple call the mean method and close the print method. And now you run that command. So simple click on the run button. Okay, so this is the mean of age. Clear? So this is the mathematical, you can also find it. This is the mean of the age. Now the next query, you have mean mode of the age. So simple, you can find as it is. You write first print method, and now we want to find mode, so put the message mode of age and then separate it with comma. Now call the data frame. The data frame is df, and which column you want to perform? In age, so you pass the age. And what you want to find? You want to find mode, so call the mode methods. Okay, simple. Now you execute this with help of the run button. Okay, so this is the mode of age. Clear? The mode of age 0, 14. This is the mode. Clear? And last operation is count the number of row present in the data frame. How many rows are present in your data frame? So how you can find? So once again, you call the print method. What total number of rows? So you can also write total number of rows. Clear? And equal sign. And then here you directly use the data frame df, and which operation you want to perform? Count. So you have a count method. This method you will call and then execute it. Okay, so this is the row, means in name column have 5 row, in age column is also 5, and marks have 5 row. So total number of row we have 5. So this command is executing, all rows are available into each column. So with this command you can execute the all the rows are available into each column. Clear? So this is the final operations of our data frame, and I think you all understood. So such type of question will be come in your exam, and how you can perform. So this is actually the answer, but if you want to perform practically, so this is the way performing practical operations into the Python platform. Clear? So I think you all able to perform these questions, and you also try to in your system and get the output, and note down these all output and question and answer in your notebook.